She ain't going nowhere. I haven't adjusted her. No combs, no glue, no spray. Completely glueless. So let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing of this LuvMe wig. Y'all, I'm super duper excited because I just could not stop looking at this wig. Like, ever since I've seen Miss Young Africana here, the color princess, color queen. I'ma link her. Y'all, she's bomb. I love watching her videos. When she tried on this wig in this box, y'all, I was just like, it is so beautiful. Definitely the perfect everyday wig vibe. So let's just go ahead and get into the unboxing of this wig from LuvMe. I really do love the LuvMe packaging, and this is my second unit that I purchased from this brand, and the packaging was the exact same, so they are definitely consistent. And you do get a mesh bag to store your wig in, and this is the wig fresh out the box. You also do get a comb and an edge brush, and y'all, I definitely needed another one of those. You get a wig band, wig cap, and also some labels to label your wig box as well, and a user guide to how to install a unit. Alright y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and try on this lovely unit from LuvMe Hair. I will have all of the information listed down below in the description box so you guys can get your hands on this unit. But y'all, let's go ahead and take off this net. And you guys, I did also get the pre-cut version of this unit. This unit is a side part, so it's not a closure, but it's just literally lace on the side part, and then you do have lace across the front of the unit. So again, we have lace right here going across the front of the unit, and then you have the curved side part. The part is on the left side of the unit. She does also have two combs right here by the temples. There is a comb in the nape section as well, along with adjustable straps. And then she does also have an adjustable elastic band. And y'all, this elastic band is sturdy, okay? Very, very sturdy. She's not a removable elastic band, so if you do want to remove the elastic band, you would have to cut her out. But yes, you do have a nice sturdy elastic band. So let's go ahead and just slide her on and see what she is giving. And this is definitely supposed to be like glueless. Ooh, okay, wait a minute. Let me get the comb and get this part right here on the side. Ooh, maybe that's supposed to go this way. Also, y'all, I did get the knots pre-bleached, and y'all, that just looks amazing. Like, there is no product. I literally just put this wig on my head. Like, this is crazy. So, you know, I gotta do the test. Like, y'all, you can see the comb. It's under, like, y'all, this is insane. Oh my gosh. I literally just wanted to do this just for this part right here. Like, every LuvMe advertisement I see, everybody is doing this, and y'all, it's for real. It's the truth. It is the truth. Y'all, LuvMe is the truth. You really can. And she ain't going nowhere. I haven't adjusted her. No combs, no glue, no spray. Completely glueless. I mean, I should just end the video right here. I mean, y'all, she's pre-curled, got the layers. Like, I could stop the video literally right here. Like, this is amazing. Too cute. Very, very demure. I definitely wanted something that was gonna give me like blowout. Well, not blowout, but like, you know, just got a cute little sew-in. Something nice and everyday. This is cute. This is cute. Okay, period. So yeah, if y'all wanted to just go ahead and throw her on and go, you definitely can do that. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all, she does have that processed virgin hair smell, and I personally do not like that smell. So I am going to shampoo, condition, blow dry her, and curl her back out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then actually come back and I don't know. I may spray her down just because I am gonna be wearing her this weekend and I don't wanna have to like keep reapplying my wig. So we'll see. But I mean, straight out the box, she's giving a 10 out of 10. So if you have not gotten your hands on a LuvMe unit yet, baby, you need to get you one. Like this is beautiful. Like, I mean, it's giving scalp. It's giving scalp. Like, are you serious? No makeup or nothing. I'm sorry, y'all. My camera keeps not focusing, but yeah, no makeup, no nothing. Like, this is so cute. So, all right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get her nice and shampooed. I'm gonna show y'all what she looks like after shampooing her. We're gonna blow dry her out, get her nice back and curled because, yeah, y'all, I can't do the smell. It's making my head hurt. But outside of that, I mean, so far she's giving a 10 out of 10 for me. So we're gonna see what she looks like after we get her nice and shampooed.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried, yeah, to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall.
You guys, this is what the unit looks like after I have shampooed and just blow dried. No flat iron. Like, y'all, the haircut on this unit is the bomb. You literally can just blow dry her and rock her just like this. And look at this lace. Y'all, can you say scalpiana? Like, I am just loving how this unit turned out. It was super beginner friendly to apply. So if you're new to wearing wigs and you want something that kind of gives the illusion of a lace front, I would definitely go for this type of unit. And again, I will have everything listed down below so you guys can check her out. But y'all, I am loving this unit. Alright, y'all, here are the final results of this install and review of this LuvMe unit. Y'all, I mean, I'm just loving me and this LuvMe hair. Like, you cannot tell me this isn't my hair, and she is completely glueless, okay? Like, you can literally throw this unit on and go. Y'all, I have been rocking this unit. So as I'm recording this, I have already worn this unit for a good 2 weeks. And I'm definitely gonna be wearing it this week as well. Like, y'all, I've gotten so many compliments, and she is so easy to apply. I love the construction of this unit, because at first I was like, it's just a side part, but really for those throw on and go rushing mornings, like, this is just perfect. I love the layers, and the hair holds a curl so well, so I can literally rock this wig like this whole week and not have to recurl it. The curls will loosen up, of course, but y'all, I won't have to actually revamp this wig for another week, which I love. And it's very full For it to be a shorter unit, you do get a lot of hair on it as well, and it's still lightweight, so it definitely does give that natural vibe, which I love about this wig. And you can't beat the price point at all. And LuvMe is always having the best deals and sales. So, and this is not sponsored, by the way. This is definitely my own opinion about this brand. This is my second unit that I have purchased with my own money from LuvMe. So y'all gotta get you a LuvMe wig. Alright y'all, that is all that I have for this wig review and install of this LuvMe hair unit. Definitely let me know down below in the comments if you would rock this unit yourself. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your beauty besties so that way we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!